welcome to my channel. I have a news box to unravel today. This is their August box, and so go on ahead and see what's inside. Oh crap, upside down. Okay. Let's see if I get this. Go. Sorry. Ooh. I have played with this kind of stuff before. My cat's gone. I'll leave this right there. This we have alcohol inks, a metallic gold and a metallic copper, Yono markers, all the primary colors, a sticker, we have metallic markers, different colors, smooth panel, artist panels for oil and acrylic smooth finish. Have a board ×4. Okay, and here's a cap. Alrighty. Let's, oh, and a pencil. Wow, that just shot up at me. So this is graffiti art. This is the art they have here, which is really cool. Graffiti. I've never done graffiti before. Basic steps for the process. I don't even know. Art prompts. Oh, these are cool art prompts. Those are really cool for art prompts. We have their things. This is my exploding moon I did 2 months ago. Alright, first off, I want to go over the alcohol inks. I've used these before. So one thing you need to know is that they're not open. You need some kind of needle. And then you put the needle through the tip. Straight down, and it should be able to push it.
I had a secondary problem with the Malibu inks. There's a little bead inside the cap if you unscrew it, and sometimes it can get clogged. So what you have to do is basically use the needle and pop out the bead, and then the ink will work. I also apparently didn't swatch, or I swatched, but I didn't record the swatching. So here are the colors, and then we can move on to the artwork.
Under the trees, I found a box of black pearls. I couldn't believe that it could change our known world. Under the stars, one night I opened it up, and your voice
have our finished piece here. It is completely not what I usually draw. I went for something that looked cute. As one of the prompts was ghost, and so I have like a cute little octopus ghost in some kind of psychedelic forest, graveyard, something like that. These products are fun to work with. I've used all of them before, just never together. I never thought to use the alcohol inks with the paint markers. So this was really fun experiment. These black canvas boards are nice. They absorb the alcohol inks a lot. So I think the alcohol inks will work better on this. But they still made some pretty colors and whatnot. The neon color showed up amazingly on this. I used everything, I think, but red and yellow. Although the blue, I tried using blue and it didn't really fit the color scheme. It's a little too bright of a blue. So yeah, I had a blast. I had a blast playing with the products, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video.
If I ever let the dark